as I walk out my house and place feet on the pavement, debating on which hard path to partake in. Cause we're all just the same thing. Some look to change things, others stay the same. They're chained to the ways they were raised in, a place where a statement in part can place you incarcerated. It's blatant, no one seems to see it. We're living in a prison with the vision of the freest. Democracy's hypocrisy properly got us seeing life like we're free human beings, but I'm still seeing tramps in these streets that we being when we're too pissed for seeing proper 2D vision. Licked off that liquor trick, tripped to submission, too pissed for the mission. Rinsing pricks if they're dissing, mincing chicks in positions quick. Spliff intermissions got me laid back. I'm off track like a train crash. Swallow clips or hollow tips, and when I spit this, see the strange flash, flicker of light, and then your brain splat, stain flats, brush jaws and main gash. See my life is a strange mash of graph, beef buds and bait yachts, don't waste facts.
Remember the time we walked through cool April showers? It felt so beautiful in the rain.
Yo, I'm just that little man stuck in their strategy. They don't want me living happily, and recently I've rapidly realised that they've been gradually trapping me. Terrorists in the news make you fear for your family, but seeing all this organised tragedy's got me scared for humanity. And I know it ain't the truth that they're handing me. Can't you see what you're doing for vanity? So much wealth in this world, yet most still living in poverty. Rich aristocrats on TV giving money to charity as a novelty, then drive back home to one of their 5 properties. We bow down to the scum of the earth, the whole world's gangland. Who's running the turf? Stuck in the system from birth to hearse. When you search the dirt, is this curse really worth the work? Will it end which warheads first to burst? Kill all life on this planet, then revert the earth.
Remember the time we walked through cool April showers? It felt so beautiful in the rain.
What do you know about poverty, robbery, bobbies that bother these brothers for property, steadily locking us properly, looking after their monopoly, watching every vicinity visibly. 1984 is literally here to be. Sick of these cunts acting civilly, thinking we're all treated equally like symmetry. Open up your eyes and realise what you're here to be, a slave to the system making money for them families.
I've gotta keep control of my mind state, blood pressure rising like the crime rate. Welcome to the life of a glorified primate, brandy and high grade till I'm sideways in the right state. Stepping with my eyes glazed, walking past driveways, steady trying to find ways to make it through this crime maze. Living in a blind haze, ignoring what the signs say, hoping that this grind or the rhymes pay. Still trying to fight fate.
Remember the time we walked through cool April showers? It felt so beautiful in the rain.
Like a leaf clings to a tree.
The world is well balanced like karma is. Do you find freedom on the front line where the army is? Or in your mind open in the left part of this? I feel it in between my bones just like the cartilage. When I'm parting this world I won't be sad. The true gift was the blessing of life that I've had. You can think that I'm mad, only saw some hippie shit. It took a lot of changes in me to consider it. Inspired by an old ancient manuscript the Mayans did predict, but can you handle it? It's a sign of the times that's hidden in the lines. The description is what the indigenous define. As sure as the sun will shine and the rain falling, the balance is untold in this life we're all in. On this misty morning I zone at one with the things that's molded how I've grown.
Looking at the bigger picture, there'll always be people like Hitler, and balancing it out, Mother Teresa trying to fix the world, and Gandhi making sure the scales don't tip to the darker side. But that's just the mixing life's elixir. Without bad there's no good, without wood there's no fire. Without the hood the posh house price wouldn't be higher. No stronger, no weaker, no stupid, no deeper. No dick dropping rubbish, there's no work for street sweepers. Without life there'd be no death, and that don't stop the pain, just concentrate on the memories they left. When I'm looking at the stars I realise I'm just a speck on the earth's surface. I measure my worth by my intellect. We've all got a purpose. Some people got free, some people fall in line, and others have got dreams. We all do our best with the tools we were given. Shit, my hammer and chisel is this life that I'm living.
Life in the balance, scales of justice. Reach for the answers but fail to touch it. My mind lost in